It's AER, right? I've written down the formula and what I and N represent. That's all from page 2. It's given to you. But remember, I and the AER are going to be decimals, okay, for this formula to work. So in this case here, I've written down what my I is. Here, it's the nominal annual interest rate. Now it's percent, but remember 4% as a decimal is 0.04, yeah? Because 4%, of course, is 4 out of 100, which is 0.04. N in this case then, well, the number of periods, the number of payment periods, compounding periods, well, every 6 months there's going to be 2 payments, okay? So what you can do then is plug this information into your AER formula, so 1 plus, so I is 0.04, divide by then N, number of periods, which is 2, and then squared, because N is the power there as well, the number of periods, and then take away 1. So when it comes then to calculating this, well, sort out the bracket first. So 0.04 divided by 2, so you want half of that, so that'll be 0.02, squared, then take away 1. And again, you've got to work out what's in this bracket before you do anything else. So 1 plus that is 1.02, squared, take away 1. So we need to then work out what this is here, okay, without a calculator. And essentially, don't forget, 1.02 squared is 1.02 times 1.02, okay? So we've got to work that out there. Now, to do that, maybe on the side here, I can work out what 102 times 102 is, okay? So if I do that first of all, I can then figure out what this is, what these decimals are. So quite easy to do this actually, because if you just do 100 times 102, and then 2 times 102, and add them together. So sometimes it's useful just to break it up, okay? Break it up, and then when you combine the two results you get from here, 100 lots and 2 lots of 102 will be 102 times 102. And 100 times 102 is easy because you just add 2 zeros, and 2 times 102 is easy to do in your head. So you get 204. Add them up. Okay, so you get that. So 10,404. But when you put that in here then, don't forget that you've got so many decimal places, haven't you? Okay, so there's 4 there, so there's got to be 4 in our answer. So decimal point will go there. So you have 1.0404 take away 1, which will be just 0.0404. Now remember, AER is given as a decimal. They want it as a percentage. So what I've got to do is times that by 100, yeah? And if I times that by 100, everything moves up 2 places. So the 4 there will end up in the units. Okay, and everything else will shift up 2 places, so I get 4.04%. Part B then says, give one reason why the banks use AER. Well, quite simply, it is useful, yeah, to compare different accounts, okay? And also, as well, it can be used, if you think about it, to work out how much interest you're going to get over a year, okay? So, useful to compare accounts. Okay, but also you can use it to work out how much interest is actually paid over the year, okay?